Hey guys, Erica with the K here. Today's video is going to be on how to highlight coarse, thick hair. So we're going to start off in the back of the head because we're going to do pretty much a full highlight on her. So you want to start off in the back so that if it lifts a little bit faster than expected, or before you get to finish the entire head, you can rinse at the sink without having to worry about over processing or anything like that. So you're going to start off with a slice and then do a weave, and you're just going to put the lightener on the hair. I don't go higher than 20 volume with lightener because I don't want to compromise the integrity of the hair. I also use Smart Bond, which is from L'Oreal, and it's pretty much like an Olaplex, and it just protects the hair. Do you ever see people who have naturally curly hair and then the ends of their hair or whatever part has been previously lightened or colored kind of just goes straight and sticks out? That's what we want to avoid here. So I never go higher than 20 volume, and I always use a protectant for the hair. So now you can see that I did pretty much most of the hair in the foils, and then there's some in between. So I'm going to go in with 20 volume and a specific formula just to try to negate some of the warmth that we see on this hair. So by the end of this, every piece of hair is going to have either a lightener or some kind of color on it. But we're not bringing this up to the roots because we don't want hot roots. We don't want the roots to lift higher than everything else. So we're going to go in with a totally different formula for the roots for the single process. In this video, I'm using all L'Oreal products from their Majorelle to the Dia Richesse. I'm using all of their products, including their lightener. Now that every piece of hair has color on it, I'm going to go back in and just go over the roots with a totally different formula. I am going to use 20 volume just because I want to make sure that I get maximum coverage of any kind of gray that might be there, and also the little bit of lift that I want to try to take her level 4 to 5 to just kind of a little bit lighter, like a 6 or a 7. So I'm going to just go over those roots with this color, every single root. Then at the sink, we're going to rinse everything down. I use 2 different glosses, both with 9 volume, just to try to close down the cuticle and everything like that. And then in case you guys forgot, this is what the before picture looked like, and then this is what the after looked like. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much for your love and support. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Until next time, work hard, dream big, eat cake. Bye guys.